الو. ايوه يا اخي. لا لا لا، لسه ما صار الوقت. طيب يا اخي، والله اتوقع انه صار هلا الوقت، حان الوقت. طيب ان شاء الله ان شاء الله. اوكي يلا. افضل هلا نبلش. يلا. سلم. سلام. If you've just joined us, a reminder of our main story. In fact, news literally coming in that Kintyre Airlines have reported one of their Boeing aircraft, a Boeing 747-400 series, missing in the North Atlantic, some 300 miles off the Scottish coast. Kintyre flight number KA027 took off from Heathrow this morning at 8:30, bound for Huntsville in the USA. The aircraft, a Boeing 747-400 series, is reported to have 430 passengers on board, and at about 9:30 this morning, it reported to air traffic control that it had reached its cruising altitude of 31,000 feet. Shortly after that, all communications with the aircraft ceased when it disappeared abruptly from radar. Well, we can now cross to our reporter Catherine Locke, who's at Prestwick Oceanic Area Control Centre in Ayrshire. Catherine, what's the latest there?
It was shortly after 9:30 this morning that Kintyre flight KA027, bound for Huntsville, USA, disappeared abruptly from radar screens. Air traffic controllers say a BA pilot flying on the same transatlantic route reported seeing a bright flash in the sky. About the same time, all communications with the aircraft were lost.
Yes, sir. It blew up in the air, and then we saw two fireballs go down to the water. There's a big small smoke from coming up from that.
The incident appears to have happened some 300 miles off the coast of Scotland. It's too early to say whether this is a terrorist incident, though it has all the hallmarks of the 1988 Lockerbie disaster. However, mechanical failure cannot be ruled out. Friends and relatives of the passengers are advised to ring 020 794 626626.